I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Mac and account are ready. Sign into your Apple ID in System Settings and enable two-factor authentication if it isn't on. This secures purchases and app syncing. Update macOS now if the App Store requires a newer version. That avoids compatibility errors. Also verify internet access and correct date/time. Once done, open the App Store app from the dock or applications so you can proceed to sign in and access app listings. You now sign into the App Store and adjust settings that affect downloads. Open the App Store and choose Sign In using your Apple ID credentials. If prompted, complete two-factor verification on another device. Once signed in, click your name to view account settings and confirm payment and billing details so purchases go through. Next, enable automatic updates and content restrictions if needed in System Settings. This keeps apps current and enforces parental controls. Make sure you see your account name top left before continuing. You finish by installing and managing apps. Search or browse, click Get or the price to download, and authenticate using your password or Touch ID. Installs land in Launchpad and applications. To update, open App Store and use updates or set automatic updates to save effort. If a download fails, sign out of the App Store, restart your Mac, and sign in again. Check Apple system status and your network. If problems persist, reset network settings or remove and re-add your payment method to resolve billing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.